Want to make realistic curtains in Blender? Let's do it in seconds. I started with a simple plane, then subdivided it for more geometry. After that, I selected the top vertices and created a vertex group. Next, I added a shape key, setting keyframes at frame 1 and frame 30 to control the fold movement. Then I enabled proportional editing to shape the curtain naturally. Finally, I added a cloth simulation and pinned the vertex group. And just like that, a realistic curtain animation in Blender. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Blender tricks.